Have you ever felt a chill of wonder like you're standing in front of something greater than yourself? That mysterious spiritual feeling is called numinous. It means something mysterious or awe inspiring, often giving you the sense of a divine presence. It actually came from a Latin word called as numen. For example, the Himalayas have a luminous beauty that words can't capture. There are synonyms of the word such as mystical, holy, and antonyms such as ordinary and common. So the next time you're lost in awe at nature, art, or silence, call that feeling numinous. And also, if you're someone who loves learning new words in short time, consider hitting the subscribe button for more updates.